Despite completing my masters, I was struggling to get a job. I realized that this theoretical knowledge wasn't enough and I decided to upskill by gaining hands-on practical knowledge taught by industry experts. I enrolled in the Advanced Executive Program in Cybersecurity offered by Simplilearn. Thanks to this course, I secured my first job in the field. Hi, my name is Sai Naveen and this is my journey. I am born and raised in Gujarat, Gandhidham. I completed my schooling and my graduation in Gujarat, Gandhidham. After doing my graduation, I went to Vadodara. I pursued my MSc IT from Vadodara Parul University. Currently, I am working in Pune in JISA SoftTech as an implementation and platform engineer. The biggest challenge for me was finding a job. So despite holding a master's degree, I was still unable to find a job because most of the companies were asking for 1 or 2 years of experience. Then I thought of upskilling myself and getting hands-on experience. So basically, I wanted to upskill in the field of cybersecurity. The industry requirement I needed was provided by the Simplilearn. So we learned all the stuff from the industry expert. We got to know what are the things we need to learn and upskill for joining the industry. The main motive of enrolling myself in this was to get a job in this field, and I got one. One day I was just going through social media, LinkedIn, for some purpose. I came across Simplilearn's page and downloaded the app. There I saw there were a few free courses related to cybersecurity. Soon after completing the course, I got a call from Simplilearn's representative regarding pursuing the course further in cybersecurity. By this, I got to know about Simplilearn. So I was a bit impressed with the courses on networking stuff, all the security stuff, so I enrolled for one. I liked everything about Simplilearn's course, right from the course material, the flexibility offered, the projects we worked on, etc. I especially want to appreciate the trainer. He explained everything with practicality. He also helped me with the projects, so overall I liked everything. The biggest thing I gained out of this course was practical skills. I developed my practical skills on cybersecurity, like how to detect an attack, how to scan the network or systems, and many other things. I gained practical knowledge. Before taking the course, I was doing anything, and after completing the course, I got my first job, so now I'm confident. I would like to tell those who are looking to upskill and have not taken any steps towards it that they should join Simplilearn. They will surely get practical exposure.